Hello, I'm High Heel Knight. Welcome to my channel. Today on High Heel Hump Day, we have a mystery unboxing. I ordered some shoes for myself as birthday gifts to myself from Amazon. Now I know what the shoes are. I ordered them. I did them all on the same day and they arrived together on the same day. Yet despite being fulfilled and sold by Amazon, they came in 3 different packages. So I don't know which shoe is in which package. One of the shoes is a Clark's Women's SML Guide Loafer in burgundy. One of the shoes is a Clark's Women's Step Rose Moon Platform in black. One of them is Easy Spirits Women's E/Mary Jane Flat in black. I thought it'd be fun that if I open one of them today, talk about that pair of shoes, and then next week I'll open another one, talk about that pair of shoes, and then the last week I'll talk about the last pair of shoes, which of course wouldn't be a mystery, but hey, it's all in good fun. So I'm going to start with this one in the middle because it came in a regular box as opposed to these white plastic things. Let's set those to the side. All right. Hide my address from the camera. All right, here we go. What's going to be this pair? What's going to be this pair? What's going to be this pair? Oh, okay, well. Oh, it says Easy Spirit, so there's only one of the pairs that's the Easy Spirit. So, let's put that to the side. Alright. Strap on here. Let's look at my box. Hope you don't ruin my box. Okay. Easy Spirit. Easy Spirit. Oh, right, here we go. So, ooh, it's got the nice thing in here to show it off. I might just keep this on here for the presentation. Okay, it's time to take a closer look at the Easy Spirit Women's E/Mary Jane Flat. Now, as you can see, I've kept the stuffing inside because it definitely shows off the shoe very, very well. Now you've got Velcro right across here to help make it easier to get in and out of the shoe. You've also got Velcro in the back. Yes, so that's definitely something that, as far as I'm concerned, is a better advantage to a lot of sandal type footwear, and I'm very like that. It is from way it is like sort of a sneaker instead of the usual sandal that's open. It's called E/Splash, so I'm assuming these were designed to be worn around swimming pools or maybe in the beach or something like that. Truth be told, I don't like showing off my toes. I do not have good looking feet, trust me folks. So yeah, it is cool to have some type of a swimming footwear that covers up the toes. And my feet are not a pretty sight at all. Now normally I would measure the shoes, the base there with my 12-inch ruler, but obviously there's essentially flats, so there's no point in doing that. There is a interesting curve here at the base. Get that little bit of curve there, And like most female shoes, there is a slight bit of incline, but that's not really heel. That's just the way a lot of women's shoes are. They just get that little extra tiny little incline. But yeah, these are very cool. Of course, with the global health crisis, a lot of public pools and things like that are not open. So hopefully they will open soon, and hopefully they will be safe to attend, because I don't want to wait all the way to next year to wear them. I mean, I don't have to wait all to the next year. I can wear them tomorrow if I want. But the idea of if it is designed, be around swimming pools, swimming areas, things like that. You know, no swimming areas open right now, but hey, that's the way life is right now here in 2020. But as far as my purchase, I'm very glad I purchased these. They're very nice. I usually don't buy these kind of shoes for myself. I don't usually buy type of sandal stuff, but again, with the closed areas, I think I'm gonna have a lot of fun in these Velcro. Definitely going to make getting in and out of the shoes and wearing the shoes much more comfortable. Okay, so those are my Easy Spirit E/Mary Jane flats. I like these. I like these very much. So hopefully a pool or something will be open soon so I can actually wear these out and strut my stuff. But in the meantime, I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Be sure to share whatever comments you like in the comment section. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, or dislike, share, and subscribe. Once again, I'm High Heel Knight. Thank you for watching, and remember, find inspiration everywhere.